This Nissan 180 SX Pro Drift car is live on the website now, and I'm here with Pro Drifter Chris Brady, and we're going to check it out. What do you think of it, Chris?
Sammy, this machine's ready to go. It even comes here with 4 spare wheels, brand new tyres and a rear bumper as well.
Okay, so will we check out what's under the bonnet?
We'll see what craziness is in here, all right? So Sammy, we have a 2.2 Nissan fully strokered engine. We have a big guard turbo, and we're running a Link ECU with a Link display dash as well. So that'll keep control of all your temperatures. Basically the car will be safe. Everything will shut down in this car before anything fails on it.
Okay.
So it's like, what would you say, bulletproof.
Bulletproof, I like that. And horsepower?
525 horsepower, Sammy.
That's a lot of horsepower, Chris.
That is a lot of horses, Sammy. Fully forged engine, strokered bottom end. If you went out today to build this engine, it'd cost you over 10,000 easily.
10 grand?
Just for the engine.
For the engine,
and the
wow.
components there.
Okay.
That's never mind suspension, anything else got to do with the car.
Okay.
This is a great setup for anyone.
So if you wanted to try drifting, this would be the sort of toy you should go for?
Oh yeah, this is a great toy.
Well,
525 horses of toys there, like, so
there
that's
you
a
are.
lot of fun.
You can get on the website now and get your tickets bought for just $15.97.